Obwe barukworeka obukoryo butara bumwe na bumwe no kutera engombe abavugi ba boda boda nibakora cyango okongera muraro omubahagizi babesimbireho ombyoboruru. Obo kiza besije oyisimbireho abwa president arukuja kwija omuri imbarara aharwa kabiri orwesabite rukwija haro abantu abarukugira ngo NRM nenda kugurira aba boda boda obutetaba omurariye ekintu ekijomo mugabe arikuhakanisa.
I heard you talking about confining borders and whatnot. That can't happen. Me, I don't support it. All people are people. Let every candidate come, talk to all the people. Whoever maybe wishes to go to vote for him, let him vote. So we can't confine people. Why should we? These people are above 18. And I also ask them, why should they be confined? Are they stupid? Don't they have brains? How can you be confined? Someone who is above 18, they confine you. Are you a prisoner? I think it's a challenge also to them.
Konka nabona babana barunda sindi nguko bantu bona barukukora koragire kubara kugira ngo batuhereze imitwaro mukaga ni wabahereze imitwaro mushanju ngo nuza ko batwara konka nubwo imitwaro mukaga hakubata inugi bahire taroho budget ya NRM ahibagine ngo nebasa kushashurira aba boda boda bono mu district aha mitwaro mukaga ejo budget tikwamye ngwiro kandi tiri kubasa kubaho.
Ebi abagambire izo bari yanyuma abaziho omurukiko rw'abanyamakuru orubire aharikosi ya hotel omuri imbarara kandi rwetabiremo abakurura ekigombe cha NRM omuri imbarara hamwe n'isingiro.
As a district, though I'm NRM, but other contestants also coming in. Kano is coming, he's welcome. This is his home, this is his country. What we are talking about, first of all, I request you to differentiate between the party and the government. These are two different things. Though our party is one in the government, but we have our own structures and working, and then we have the government. We as a party, we welcome everybody. We don't have any grudge with. Those people are not our enemies. They are just opponents, but not enemies.
Omwe omubabire mbarondera amama mbabaza karuru arukumanywa nka Moses Christopher owabinje barukumanya nko mujugujugu arigire omushigombe cya Go Forward yaza omu NRM.
Namjando mwami candidate witumo ahabwachi tutakubatwemereze campaign zi tukamatwaronda ahine kabya y'umuntu witu kandi koligi witu akanga kamato mujugujugu at okay ataba abamuro yabanje bahandikire koti ngwe police ngo bakajya akageta ki mbene mugufa akajya ati okay na hati no bireba stay bibi yatwe nagamba ayine tito kurangu mazima no natakufa yaba supporters be mbona shiyari mu kufari ba ayine deni iweshu okumuhagira owahansi wo ninga nyonko mujugujugu so enizima shongeze tumire na jantinga ikanga ruchomuka mbagaba kabatambingire yomuka
umurango gumfuterera abantu bitu ntubareke kubihwa kutwarwa bakashendashendwa ibi nebindi tubikubasa ubuherezo gutwarebere tutakayirwa hiturigire movement NRM cyo kibina ekine obwebembezo burungi kandi obuhereza ekikuza kusya obuhereza abantu ba Uganda bona
ngwenu turire ngo umwami John Patrick Amama Mbabazi kwata government naza kushashura amabanja ga buri muntu wena againo mbanga mbwe nicyo tumuri kureba ngo nikishuba ikibaru kweta sakirego amazire imyaka 30 omu government nuwe yabere ar prime minister super minister prime minister nikimanyisa omuntu orukukurira business za government zona eje myaka yone eyamazira ar prime minister esente kaneza government akindoga bwashashwiri.
Abantu bashabiro kwetantara ebikorwa ebyo kwejumbira omumivuyo by'obururu oburukuza kuterwa ebiri 18 okwezo kurukwije. Ni Michael Tumwachire awa TV West agacenchwire.